Looking for the perfect breakfast recipe that is crispy, healthy, and made with simple kitchen ingredients? I'm sharing an easy stuffed onion paratha recipe that is soft on the inside, crispy on the outside, and packed with delicious homemade flavors. Once you try this recipe, you will want to make it again and again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, I am taking 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Before adding water, mix everything together until the oil is evenly coated with the flour. Now slowly add water little by little. Don't add all the water at once. Keep mixing and kneading until you get a soft, smooth dough. Heat a pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle for a few seconds. Now add finely chopped half cup of onion, 2 chopped green chilies. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes while mixing continuously. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make more delicious recipes. Now pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. This little trick prevents the dry spices from burning and helps them coat the onions evenly. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of besan. Keep mixing continuously for about 2 minutes. You will notice the filling becoming thicker and less watery. The besan absorbs the extra moisture from the onions. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Turn off the heat and transfer the filling to another plate. Allow it cool down completely before stuffing. Now let's shape our parathas. Flatten one dough ball. Then dust it lightly with flour. Roll it into a small circle, keeping the center slightly thicker than the edges. This helps hold the filling without tearing. Place some onion mixture in the center. Cut one side of the paratha and fold triangle shape. Friends, this is very easy. Once you try this, you can make this easily. Now roll the paratha again. Now heat a pan over medium heat. Place the paratha and cook for about 30 to 40 seconds until small bubbles begin to appear. Flip it over. Cook the second side for another 30 seconds. Now drizzle some oil around the edges and spread a little on top. Flip again and gently press the edges with a spatula. Keep flipping every 20 to 30 seconds until both sides become beautifully golden brown with crispy spots. Just look at this beautiful stuffed onion paratha, golden, crispy and perfectly flaky on the outside. Every bite is packed with delicious spices and fresh herbs. Serve it hot with yogurt, pickle, butter, or a cup of masala tea for the ultimate homemade breakfast. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another easy and delicious homemade recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.